Hi guys, this is your Sunil from Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center. Today we are making kadai vegetable with the help of Chef Chandru. Let's make it. Let me help you with the ingredients which required for kadai vegetable curry: cilantro, fresh tomato, onion, capsicum, and then we require turnip, beans, carrot, freshly grinded coconuts, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander, cumin, garam masala, salt for the taste, fresh ginger garlic paste, cumin, coconut oil, ghee. Blend fresh coconut and tomato together. For the gravy, we can boil the vegetable separately. We take 1 glass of water. Now the water is getting boiled. We can add the vegetable, all the vegetables. We take in just 1 glass of water so that we don't throw the water away, used for the gravy. We can add salt to the vegetable. The vegetable required 8 to 10 minutes for boiling. Meanwhile, we can make a gravy. As the process take 8 to 10 minutes, meanwhile we can make a preparation of gravy. Gravy preparation: once the pan is hot, put coconut oil. You can put some cumin to it, some chopped onion, for a minute. You can add capsicum to it. Fry this until the onion gets brown color. Thank you for the love you've shown in the previous video. Hope you like it. Once you make it, please let us know in comment section how you like it. As you see, the onion is brown now. We can add ginger garlic paste to it. Then you can fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add all the spices. After adding all the spices, we can add tomato and coconut paste to it. Add little bit of salt. Make sure you use less salt, as we already add salt to the vegetable. It is too thick. Add some water. As our vegetable cooks for 8 to 10 minutes, we can add that vegetable to the gravy. Mix it well so that the vegetable will catch all the masalas into it. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep checking 1 to 2 minutes so that it won't get burned. Boil this in low flame. You can see the gravy is ready. You can garnish this with cilantro and some ghee to it. The curry is ready. This curry you can serve 5 to 6 people. Let's try the kadai vegetable curry. It's really good. Very good, chef. The gravy we are trying with the ragi roti. For the recipe of ragi roti, please click the link below.